Quick video to show you how to change the battery on the key fob for a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and as well this works on several other model years and other small Chevy SUVs and cars. So to open up this key fob here, you're just going to open the key out, and then on the back we're going to remove this panel. All you really have to do is take your hand and just pry it across like this, and it'll open up just like that, and set that down. And now you have your battery here. Take something small, like a small flathead screwdriver. There's a little notch on the right side here. You just go like this and it'll come right out. It's just sitting in this tray like this. And what you're going to want to note is that the battery has the plus side facing up. So you're going to want to replace it with another CR2032 battery and make sure that you have that plus side facing up. These batteries are found at your local grocery store, or you can order them real cheap online at Amazon. I'll put a link in the video description for you so that you can find those. To replace it, just set it back in. There's a little corner you want to tuck it underneath. Set it back in, plus side up. Then your back panel, very easy. You just set it right where it goes and then just squeeze down. It'll lock into place. And there you have it. Now your key fob's got a nice fresh battery, lasts you another 5 or 6 years. So hey, if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to look in the video description for a link to these batteries that you can buy on Amazon. And as always, have a great day.